anything I've ever attempted, I was always willing to fail. You can't always win, but don't be afraid of making decisions.
You fucking dare!
You can't be paralyzed by fear of failure, or you will never push yourself. You keep pushing because you believe in yourself and in your vision. And you know that it is the right thing to do, and success will come, so don't be afraid to fail. When I feel pain, that's when I start counting, because that's when it really counts. That's what makes you a champion. That's the way it is with everything. No pain, no gain.
No, mate, fucking one more! One more! Fucking do it!